Fabio is so steamy. Like whenever I see him, I'm just like, oh my gosh, he's so cute.
So what I like about teaching is it's very inspiring to see someone that's brand new, that goes from a little baby to a little butterfly.
She got a beautiful haircut today. 5 inches off of the bottom and then a lovely curl. Her name's Karen. And after this, she'd like to see a manager. What to expect working here, you definitely have to have high standards, you know? You better come to work and look good, and you better wear your boots, okay? And if you don't know what you're doing, then leave your bags at the door.
At the end of training, they know how to cut, color, perm, or whatever I ask them to do on training day. It's inspiring to me that they actually can become great hairdressers.